You are going to see how to change time zone on Android. So to do that, let's head over to our um, settings option. And once you are there, scroll down until you find the option of um, general management. And in here, go to date and time. Now go to time zone, set time zone based on location. Here, it will use your phone's location to select your time zone. You can once you just turn off automatic time zone, it will allow you to select the time zone and go to select the time zone and then change the region. You can change the region to any one of them in your search list. Suppose I'm changing to Bangladesh, and yeah, this is it. And automatic time zone is set up. So yeah, this is how you can just change your time zone on your Android phone. Hope this video will help you out. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next one.